Delhi CM Rekha Gupta and PWD Minister Parvesh Verma reviewed the drainage situation at the Sunehri Pul drain. Meanwhile, let's listen into what Delhi CM Rekha Gupta has said.
देखिए, ये वो ड्रेन्स हैं जिसको पिछले की सरकारों ने कभी सीरियस नहीं लिया। जो दिल्ली हर बार जाम होती रही, जब आपकी बड़ी ड्रेन साफ ही नहीं होंगी, उसमें इतना स्कोप नहीं होगा कि वो और पानी ले सके, तो पीछे का जितना भी ड्रेन होगा, चाहे वो इंटरनल रोड्स का है, चाहे वो 60 फुटा रोड का है, चाहे मेन रोड्स का है या रिंग रोड का है, हर जगह पानी जाम होना वाजिब है। आप उसको रास्ता ही नहीं दे रहे। इतने सालों से अभी हमने 3 बड़ी ड्रेन्स का विजिट किया है और उसमें चाहे वो बारापुला थी, कुशक है या सुनहरी पुल है, हर मिलता है कि एजेंसीज में क्लैरिटी ही नहीं थी। करना किसने है? किसी को फुल फ्लेज काम या आप कहिए कि 12 महीने का काम कि आपने ड्रेन पे काम करना है, ऐसा काम नहीं क्लियर हुआ। ये अब जिस चीजों को हम देख रहे हैं, हमने अब फ्लड एंड इरिगेशन को स्पेशली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देके कि ये एक एजेंसी की जिम्मेवारी है कि आपको ये डिसिल्टिंग करके देनी है। कितना होगा, टाइम बाउंड तरीके से कब तक आप करेंगे, पूरा का पूरा उसके मानक तय करके उसमें बजट में उसके लिए एलोकेशन हो, क्योंकि ये सबसे बड़ी नेसेसिटी है कि बारिश में दिल्ली में पानी ना भरे। ये सारा का सारा ड्रेन्स जो है बारिशों से पहले खाली होनी चाहिए और उसके बाद जो हमारी उसके पीछे की लगते हुए नाले भी साफ हो। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा मिशन है। सेम डे कुछ नहीं होता कि आग जब लगी है और तभी आपको तैयारी करनी है। आज से ही बारिश के सीजन की शुरुआत, उसकी में काम क्या क्या करने हैं, आज से ही समर एक्शन प्लान, आज से ही हमें सर्दियों में पॉल्यूशन ना हो, ये सारे काम शुरू हो चुके हैं। सरकार जो अपने बिल्कुल वॉर फुटिंग पे काम कर रही है, हमारे मंत्री सब लगे हैं, बिल्कुल सबको अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट दे दिए गए हैं, अलग अलग मिशन दे दिए गए हैं। विधायकों की जिम्मेवारी लगाई गई है कि वो अपने अपने एरिया में जहां जहां काम चल रहे हैं उनका, हम जहां पे डिसिल्टिंग है, हम बिल्कुल पब्लिक से भी और विधायकों से भी ये लिखित में मांगेंगे कि वो डिसिल्टिंग हुई है या नहीं हुई है। केवल अफसरान ने कह दिया, कागजों में हो गया, किताबों में हो गया कि डिसिल्टिंग हो गया, उसे माना नहीं जाएगा। इस बार दिल्ली वो तैयारी कर रही है कि दिल्ली में पानी कहीं जाम ना हो, नाले कहीं ओवरफ्लो ना हो और दिल्ली बेहतर दिखे।
We have with us my colleague Sambhav Sharma joining us on the telecast. Sambhav, when we are talking about Yamuna, it was a major issue before the elections took place, and it was a huge poll promise of BJP. Now we are seeing that a four-pronged strategy is being used to clean the river. So what exactly is the current status when we are talking about how clean it is?
Well, absolutely. We have been reporting on River Yamuna and the kind of the lack of biological oxygen demand, the BOD, and the other very important parameter, that is fecal coliform levels in Yamuna, which are alarmingly high. 6,400 times more than what is required is the level of E. coliform in River Yamuna, and that is because of these drains directly entering into the mainstream of the river, and because of which the Delhi's Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena and the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, along with officials of Delhi government and also many BJP member of parliament, joined this inspection drive which happened today and just concluded. I am reporting live from Barapula, and here the inspection drive just concluded, wherein Delhi Chief Minister and also the Delhi Lieutenant Governor inspected Barapula drain, and we showed the live visuals, the pictures of this Barapula drain, where this drain directly entering into the mainstream of River Yamuna, which is increasing the levels of this coliform, this fecal coliform levels in River Yamuna, which is contaminating the water, because as per the Central Pollution Control Board's report, the fecal coliform levels are alarmingly high in the mainstream of River Yamuna in Delhi. All the 14 to 15 points where the samples are being taken, the coliform levels and the biological oxygen demand, the dissolved oxygen levels in the river are alarming. I mean, their numbers are alarming, and the dissolved oxygen is comparatively very less. And remember, dissolved oxygen is something on which the aquatic life depends, and hence it is very important, and the dissolved oxygen levels are comparatively very low, and which is not supporting the aquatic life in this
All right,
in
Sambhav,
this patch
thank you
of
so much
Delhi.
for joining us on the telecast. Meanwhile, my colleague Sambhav Sharma has filed a ground report from Barapula drain. Let's in fact listen in.
Hello and welcome to NewsX. I am Sambhav Sharma and I am here at one of the drains in Delhi where the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, VK Saxena, and Delhi's Chief Minister is there. I'll request my video journalist to pan the camera and show you the live shots of the Lieutenant Governor and the Delhi CM, and this drain inspecting. The Delhi Lieutenant Governor is inspecting the drain here with this Sunheri Pul, Kushak and Barapula drain is being inspected by the Lieutenant Governor himself, VK Saxena, and also the Delhi Chief Minister is here. So keeping now, what is the need to inspect these drains? See, a recent report of Central Pollution Control Board saying that the coliform levels in River Yamuna is 6,400 times more, 6,400 times more than the normal level, the normal required level in the River Yamuna. That is one of the major reasons of the pollution in River Yamuna. To inspect the drain, and the message is very much clear that the need is to clean Yamuna, and they are very active. See here, the Lieutenant Governor VK Saxena is here. Also, the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is here, and Delhi many member of Parliament, including Basuri Swaraj, is here at ground zero. These drains at Barapula in New Delhi, whose waters directly enters the New Delhi. Now, see, the point is there are two things. One is E. coli level, which are levels are 6,400 times more than what is required. I'll also try to speak to these people here, and see, this is an official visit of the Delhi government, and we were talking about E. coliform level, E. coli level, and the biological oxygen demand, whose levels are alarming, and that is why this inspection is being done at the drains, whose waters are directly discharged in River Yamuna, and which is one of the major causes of the pollution of River Yamuna. With video journalist Avdesh Chaurasia, I am Sambhav Sharma from New Delhi for NewsX.